Himala. Himala si Idol nawala. Nagbabawi si PG Softboy. Sana umasa. Gogo, wala na. Wala na pera. Pak. Okay, GG's. Talo na naman. Pahinga na ulit. Ano na, Windsor? Wala na, delay yan eh. Ginugulo mo yung mga tropa ko dito ah. Tol, huwag mong guloyin yung mga tropa ko. Wala, hindi siya na ano kung saan. Hindi mo ginagamit yung Yana Buff. Ay, hindi pwede yun. Sugal yan eh. Hindi ko pinapahawak si Yana ng ganyan kahit gusto niyang puminto. Mawawala yung bisa ng kanyang kapangyarihan. Ay, makasunod-sunod na scatter na. Kaya nga, nabibitin. Wala na. Nag-anubis na ako eh. 1-4, laki naman. Nanood na kami sa'yo. Panood. Tapos na kami. Alay na kami.
Empires out of buildings. I wanna leave a legacy of helping others finally feel things, of motivating and killing depression, exhaustion. We need some healing. I work through the pain. I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the
Quit na si Zap. Di ko nakikita sa TOBD din. Asia 4 sila eh. Ewan ko umuwi na. Oh, Mystic Potion pala. Mystic Potion tayo. Sa Mirror 4, wala masyado. Minsan kasi pag pumipitik ako, wala siya dito eh. Umaalis eh. Lumalabas. Huling pitik niya pa ata yung Forge. Yung Forge ko. Kaso nag-fail. Hindi ko maana.
all day and all night. We'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never run. Look up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you show me your heart. Let down our guards, think with our so I keep pushing through
Nasa Asia 4 sila kasi kumuha sila nung event.
change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough. I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug. I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, yeah, I got this. Will not quit to the top, I promise. 'Cause I've had enough.
Ito na napafarm ko. 30 pa lang. Walang iya. Alat naman nito. Wala na yun. Tapos na yun.
never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
Pwede. Nag-range na ba ako? Dalawang ticket pa ako sa AMS eh. Dalawang ano pa to, minahan. Ay, hindi. Oo nga pala. Tawin na, may world boss pa. May world boss pa eh. Makikibalita lang sa kitaan ng Darksteel Wimix per month. Darksteel, wala na yan, boss. Yung hindi, yung ano niya. Yung siguro, iniisip niya yung ano. Oo, Draco. Wala na yun, boss. Benta na ng gold. Gold mo na lang yung Darksteel. Di na yung nagpaparamdam na. Yan. Tinangkap na nila. Oh, masaya pa siya. Oh, kanya-kanyang trip yan, boy. Si Sanchay yan eh, no?
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now.
Dun sa Indonesia.
I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in.
Ano kaya mangyayari sa kanya nun?
Best friend, I don't think I'll ever let you
Oh, tapos benta mo yung gold.
we could be. And how be.
Hindi sulit mag-smelt. May tax yan eh. 1.4 M is-smelt mo na isang Draco. Walang iya. Luging-lugi. Gago, di na natigil yung ano ko, scatter ko. Nangyari dito.
Late nights, long fights, it felt right.
Wala tinatapos.
We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud. We had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays,
Nawalan ba ako na internet? Di naman.
our own way. We were careless, we were fearless. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself.
Yes, kumakain lang siguro.
Understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me.
Comment sa live eh.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Biro pala na ito. Magbibiin ako ng kalahating oras sa Magic Store. Ay, sa MS. Walang ginagawa. Kata, may isa pa. Oo. Hindi na maabot.
Always feel like reckless. Time was precious. We love to waste time. Whiskey
Asia 1 na kayo ulit. Yung iba. Ako di pa ako nauwi.
finally alive. We would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live. Staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold. Never get old. Screw what we're told. We can't be controlled.
Ayaw naman magtuloy-tuloy nito, ano? Tuloy-tuloy po naman doon. Hindi ko nakita.
It's too late now. I remember a break now, but I never let it.
Wala, lalabas din naman ako. Lalabas din ako bago mag, word boss eh.
Best call me great now. I don't know if if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I could find
Hindi. Wild boss eh.
even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate.
Ubus pa rin ang ano
Never
dito.
let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
Kakaantok.
Everything and how careless we could be.
Automatic wild yung nasa loob.
How careless we could be.
Sa gitna lang yung wild.
And how careless we could be.
Ay, magkulit.
And how careless we could be.
Baby. Scatter! Gago lumagpas! Umay. Ubus na naman ang 500 ni Yuji. Yung conquest ko, mga ano pa, 10 days pa to. Pero meron ka naman speed up. Ang dami nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 days pa ba? 16 days to. Tagal. Oo. Sakit yan. Hindi ko rin sure.
Yeah. I wanna build a life worth living. I wanna be rich cause I wanna be given. I feel the time keeps ticking. I wish I had more but I'll take what's given. I just wanna pop cause I've been working a lot.
Yes. Nag-cocktail ako kanina, hindi yun nagbigay. Aalat na nga na nilalaro ko. Baka si Mahjong na ang ano ko, hindi ko pa ulit dinaanan. Ay, ganda ng wild.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how I'm putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out
Okay, sandaan na lang.
I was thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off beating the
Sandaan.
hate me. And you better find some fucking safety.
Meron pa akong conquest na hindi ko nagagawa yung sa ano.
Cause it's been years on this path that I walk.
Yung tier 5 ata yun sa training tama. Oo, ito.
When I dream big, yeah, I
Hindi ko pala gagawa.
wanted this life since I was a little kid.
Oo, kailangan 5-5. 5-5 yung vial list. Tagal pa nun. Hindi ko pa inaayos.
I've been doing things like I have no restrictions. I don't plan to stop, no I don't plan on quitting. Everything I do, yeah, I
Kahirap talaga yung oil. Sobrang hirap. Tsaga-tsaga na talaga.
test out my limits. I got descending to Guinness. I'm breaking records, I'm finished. I feel like I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. And can't save me.
Problematic place, no?
Crazy, no. But society has me going so crazy. Yo. Don't blame me.
Papalag pa yan. Kukulang.
And I'm sick of me feeling this way.
4 nga muna tayo. Wag mo nga tayo mag-5. Medyo maalat yung 5 ko eh. 4 tayo, 4. Bubble. Tangina, sa 4 nga pumunta. Yawa. Bawasan lang pala ng piso. Ayun na si Ice, nabuhay na. Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Nabuhay ka na dol ah. Ito na ata, nasa 4 na ata ang aking true love. Wala na sa ano.
Keep on winning. If I don't stop once a minute, I'm moving forward. I mentioned, but this is just the beginning. I've learned a lot of lessons. I've had a lot of blessings. My friends
Hindi ko lang sure.
be chilling. I'll be
Hindi ko yung mapansin yung mga gamit nila eh. Papalit-palit kasi sila ng mga ginagamit.
so I'll spend time investing. When I dream big, yeah, I commit. Wanted this life since I was a little kid. Never thought twice, I just did what I did. Worked towards it and now I have an addiction. I've been living life like a dream, like it's fiction. I've been doing things like I have no restrictions.
Anong ganap sa Asia 3? Ewan ko. Meron ba?
Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I will never give up, I will never give in. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I've been on a mission, I ain't never quitting. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I believe in free will. I make choices that lead to where I build. I will never give up, I will never give in. You got one life, so live it right.
Yun no? Ano yan? Times 5 times 5.
Family inside, never cease
Times 10.
to fight.
Ano yun?
Things you think are right,
25.
just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh?
Joey.
Enjoy the grind, eh?
Kailangan mag-combo parehas para mataas. Tangina, ayaw bigyan sa taas.
Limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back.
Tol, bigyan mo parehas. Gamot.
That shit about you, forget about the clout, yo. What the word
Ay, papaldo niyan.
down, yo. Work until you found, yo.
Tangina ng mga scatter yan. Puro dead spin. Oo, puro sa baba.
Someone to break it, take control, and don't just fake it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back.
Hindi may problema. Kaya nga eh. 4 pa naman yung taya ko dyan. Wala magmumukbang. Uy, wala magmumukbang sa pamilyang to. Ay, binibigyan B. Okay na ata, world 2 na. World 2 na.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look.
Gawa ko tapos na sila sa ano. Tapos na sila sa world 2.
I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me.
Oh, 10:05 ata yan. 10:05 ata mag-start yung clan match. Wala magmumukbang. Uy, wala magmumukbang sa pamilyang to. Ay, binibigyan B. Okay na ata, world 2 na. World 2 na.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look.
Gawa ko tapos na sila sa ano. Tapos na sila sa world 2.
I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me.
Oh, 10:05 ata yan. 10:05 ata mag-start yung clan match. Wala magmumukbang. Uy, wala magmumukbang sa pamilyang to. Ay, binibigyan B. Okay na ata, World 2 na. World 2 na.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look.
Gawa ko tapos na sila sa ano. Tapos na sila sa World 2.
I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me.
Oh, 10:05 ata yan. 10:05 ata mag-start yung clan match. Wala magmumukbang. Uy, wala magmumukbang sa pamilyang to. Ay, binibigyan B. Okay na ata, World 2 na. World 2 na.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look.
Gawa ko tapos na sila sa ano. Tapos na sila sa World 2.
I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me.
Oh, 10:05 ata yan. 10:05 ata mag-start yung clan match.
Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Even what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies.
Alat, maalat na. Gago, sinira mo na ata yung PG boy. Ikaw ata ang salarin dito. Ina-adjust na ata nila boy. Nalulugi daw sila sa'yo boy. Laban, puso. Ay, nako, Ice. Larong-laro ka, ha? Inalay mo na ako, ha? Gago, 100 na lang pera ko, B.
Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And though I am not going through life regretfully, I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting it. Forgotten souls who stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fall. I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home. It's shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though. It's hip hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down. No, my pockets grow. You can't stop the show, so get fucking up. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up.
Ay, ayun ko na yung ano natin, supporter badge. Bukas, wala ako. O, pala. Magkaroon na ako mamaya pagka-reset bago ako mag-end live. Kasi Sunday, pahinga na naman tayo dyan. Namimiss ko na nga yung Thunder. Ang kating.
Let's go.
Ang kating niya talaga.
I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Hey, you see me on the big screen, looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted. Yeah, that's too bad. I'll be grateful
Pag panalo.
everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody looking.
Uwi na ba si Phantom?
You gotta work hard, play hard.
Di pa. Dito na daw titira yun, mag-HOF daw siya eh. Bibili siya salmon.
and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. 'Cause 10% of something is better than nothing.
Dul, mag-scatter ka naman, Dul. Nag-scatter ako sa Yakuza, wala din nakuha. Ang ina naman.
And I ain't bluffing.
Nagbabawi si PG Soap.
Yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain. Yeah. That's the only way to make a change.
Kick, parang gusto kong mag-normal roll dun para maubos pera ulit.
I ain't never slowing down. Keep on going till I'm down. Nah, I'm never slowing down. Just rebelling. Hard works like a weapon. Attack with no questions. In my own.
Kahit isang ano lang, no, yung hammer.
With objection too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression.
Oo, nakukuha ko nga yun sa normal.
Passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. So people think I'm lost, others think I'll be
Ayusin ko na lang muna yung mga listahan ng supporters natin.
my thoughts at the top, but my
Bago
mind's
tayo mag-roll mamaya.
let your dreams stop, cause
Para wala na akong utang.
all the same. Told me I won't make a name, but it's not about the fame. It's about keeping yeah. So I fight every day and train.
Nagbabawi si PG Soap Boy.
One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain.
Sana umasa.
Make a change, yeah.
Gogo, wala na. Wala na pera. Pak. Okay, GG's. Talo na naman. Pahinga na ulit. Ano na, Windrear? Wala na, delay yan eh. Ginugulo mo yung mga tropa ko dito ah. Tol, huwag mong guloyin yung mga tropa ko. Wala, hindi siya na ano kung saan.
Hear me sing, so I stay within my lane. Feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain. Welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up. I ain't never do. I'm take.
Mix Emiel Sen, Vincent Yaquero,
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up.
Zoya Apple Sherwin 1, Kevin.
Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up. I ain't never know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you.
Tagal mag-loading.
Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. I ain't never make
1-4, laki naman. Nanood na kami sa'yo. Panood. Tapos na kami. Alay na kami.
climb to the crown in my prime right now. Hear me loud, I've been spitting for a while now. All by myself, independent DIY now. Don't need no help, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets. It's funny, I do all the work, yeah, keep it 100. I fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak. I like to build things, empires out of buildings. I wanna leave a legacy of helping others finally feel things, of motivating and killing. Depression, exhaustion, we need some healing. I work through the pain, I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the
Quit na si Zap. Di ko nakikita sa TOBD din. Asia 4 sila eh. Ewan ko umuwi na. Jenny Beam, Ferdy, Nigel Cord. Maru, Nika, Joshua, Cram, Micaela. Jerome, Joseph, Oninske, Mark, Kenneth.
I said you better watch what you're doing.
JR, Richard, Charles, Sheltier, Carl.
When I'm moving, I'm headed to the top, I'ma do it. I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it.
Jason, JP, Jigs, Romart, Marvin.
What you doing? Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it. You know I'll treat you
Vika J. Vin, John Ding Meruel.
like it go all night. I'm sick of being nothing, all right. I'm gonna be so
Amira Carl Daniel.
I keep pushing through
Nasa Asia Pop sila kasi kumuha sila nung event.
the change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough.